Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to share your YouTube channel link properly. It's super easy, so let's get started. Now, the traditional way of sharing your YouTube channel link is to go to your YouTube channel, and then here on the search bar, you will see your channel link. So traditionally, you just need to copy it and then share it to your friends or someone that you would like to share it. That's it. That's the traditional way. But if they will access the link, they will not be redirected to the YouTube channel, but they will be redirected to a browser and they cannot interact with your channel properly. They cannot subscribe because they need to be signed in or they need to be in the YouTube app. Now, here's the trick so that once they click the link, they will be routed directly through the YouTube app and not the browser. Now, what you're gonna do is, again, copy your YouTube channel link and go to this site app.url.geni.us, and you need to create an account. Don't worry because it's free. It's totally free. And here it will ask you to paste your channel link, paste it, and you'll have an option to customize the link. So let me just customize the link so that we'll have a unique link, and you just need to compose link, and it will give you the unique link. You just need to copy URL, or if you want to email it to share it through email, you just need to email this URL. And also, they will create a QR code. If they will scan this QR code, they will be routed to your YouTube channel. And once they click this, they will be redirected to the YouTube app itself and can totally engage or interact with your channel. And you just need to share it. And that's it. That's how you properly share your YouTube channel link. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.